Hey everybody, it's Beth with the Crazy Crafty Checks, and you've probably noticed if you've been to our page, because we've been talking about it on our website, we have no content on our YouTube channel. My mom always said you got to start somewhere, so here we are starting. I get a lot of people that ask me about what I use for transfer tape when I'm making a project. So today we're just going to make a very simple layered heart, and I'm going to use my favorite transfer tape, which is actually clear contact paper that I buy at Walmart in the kitchen section, right by all the shelf liners. Super easy to find, comes in a really nice big size roll. There's a lot on it. This will last me a long time. Most of the stuff that I sell on our Etsy store is car decals. So I do a lot of things with my clear contact paper, so I use a lot of it. So I just made 3 simple hearts, so let's weed them out pretty quick. Self-explanatory, and they all should come off pretty easy today. What we're gonna do is we have the 3 layers. So how I layer up a car decal is I usually start with my smallest layer because I'm building on top of that. That way that one sheet of contact paper is going to be the topper for the whole entire item. So what I like to do is I like to measure the largest section. Best thing about this contact paper is it has grids on it, so I know I'm always cutting a straight line. We measured it for the largest section, but we're actually going to start with the smallest section. So I'm going to peel myself up a corner. If it was a really big project, then I would kind of do the roll method, but it's not that big of a project, so I'm just going to pull the whole entire sheet off. I'm going to start right in the center and put my contact paper down. Burnish it a little bit on both sides. The biggest thing I get is they can't remove the contact paper. So you're going to hold down the contact paper and you're actually going to be removing the backing. So you're going to take that at almost a straight angle right back and just peel the backing right off of it. Super easy. So we're going to take our next layer, and if you notice this is a little puffy, so one of my favorite things to do is tape it down to my work desk. Doesn't have to be taped all the way, just a pretty good taping. All right, so we're going to take our top layer that we just did, and we're going to line it up right in the middle as close as we can, but not putting it all the way down until we're ready. So let's burnish that. Same thing, flip it over, peel from the back. Nice straight back angle, nice and slow. Sometimes if it's words, I kind of wiggle back and forth. The tape really isn't going to cause a problem for us, but I just feel the need to take it off anyways. So we're going to tape down the last layer. And again, we're going to hover, looking through the contact paper. It's a little easier to see than transfer tapes. And then once I get it to where I want it, I'm going to put it down. Now, if this were a car decal that I was then sending out to a customer, I'm just going to trim it nice. Leave the backing on it and the contact paper on the top for shipping. Super easy. Contact paper, gotta love it. Thank you so much for enjoying our video today. Make sure to like it down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. We have lots of new stuff coming up. We're just a new group of crazy friends who are getting together. Hop on over to our Facebook page too. Tweet us and Instagram us. Have a great night, everybody. Thanks.